is able to control it. Now McKeever comes up. Here's right in front of the net, and that's going to be a goal for UCF. Number 21, we talked 8:03. Look at this replay. He comes up and he kind of ducks behind everybody. A great pickup here from number 20. You see him get it, 42, excuse me, and he gets it over to Brady. Brady just goes high and over.
What's up, peeps? Hope you're doing well. This is Lacrosse lesson number 5. So if you have not seen the previous lessons, go ahead and check those out before you get to this one. So today I got a treat for you guys. We're in the middle of lacrosse, but I was just thinking one of the sports I really enjoy playing is bowling. So I thought, how can I combine the two? So today we are going to play lacrosse bowling. It's great because you can do bowling by yourself, and most of you guys at home don't have somebody else or a team to play with. So it's a perfect game for us to play on a nice chilly day. So here's what you'll need for this lesson. Of course, you'll need your lacrosse stick. Most of you have the milk jug made one like I just did. You'll need a ball to go in it, and you'll need something to act as the pins for you to knock down. You'll need 10 of these. So a lot of you will use plastic cups. Some of you guys have those plastic bowling pins as toys. That would work perfect. For me, I don't have those, but my son collects these little things for M&Ms, or maybe not collect. Collect is a wrong word. Maybe doesn't throw away these. So I have about 10 of these that I'm just going to use as bowling pins in my lesson. So I'm going to set them up in on the ground in a kind of a triangle. And if you're playing inside, use a softball. If you're going outside, playing in the driveway, cool, get some fresh air. It's great to go outside and exercise. So choose your location and let's do it. So here's how what you'll need to do to set up the bowling pins. So there's 10 bowling pins. You're gonna put 4 in the back. Then you're gonna put 3 in front of that, right in between the others, and we might need to bring them in a little bit closer. Oops. So we got 3 in front of that, then 2 in front of those, right in between them. And then of course 1 right up front. So you got a nice little triangle right there. Now you're gonna get your lacrosse stick and you're gonna throw the ball trying to knock down whatever you're using as the bowling pins. So there's 10 frames in bowling, and you get 2 tries to knock them down in each frame. So do your best to try to knock down all 10 pins each time. Let's give it a shot. All right, so I have my lacrosse stick. And again, depending on, I know I've said this before, depending on your age, if you're one of the young students, get closer. If you're one of the older students, step a few steps back. I want to make sure that I'm still in the camera shot, so I'm gonna get probably right here beside my couch, and you can see in the bottom part of your screen my target. So let's give it a shot. This is the first frame. I get 2 turns to try to knock them all down. All right, I got 3 on my first throw. Scoop it up. Let's see what else I can do on my second throw. No, I missed them. so now that frame is done. I got 3. So let me set them up onto my next frame. And let's see what I can do. 2 turns, knock them all down. Boom! I knocked down 5 that time. See if I can get a spare. Oh, baby! I knocked them all down. So time to set them back up. Third frame. Let's see what I get. Oh, only got that 1 down. Oh, almost got another spare. So you got the idea of how to play. 2 turns per frame. Have a good time bowling, guys. Lacrosse bowling. Alright guys, for you younger students, just add up your score of what you got in the 10 turns. But for those that want to do more of a bowling score, you would basically get a piece of paper and make your 10 frames and keep track of what you got. If you remember my score, my first frame I got 3 and then a miss. So underneath I would have obviously 3 points at the very beginning for that. Then, now in the second frame, I got what they call a spare. I knocked them all down on my second turn. A spare is marked, like I have it there, and that equals 10 plus next throw. So a spare, I got 10 because I knocked down that set of 10, plus my next throw. That's an opportunity for me to get a lot of points, but unfortunately on my next throw I only got 1. So for that frame I scored 11. So 11 plus 3 would be 14. So in the second frame, I have 14 with that spare. So I did not get a spare or a strike in the third frame. I just got a total of 9, 1, and then 8. So that's a total of 9. So now my score after 3 is 23. Now in the fourth frame, I got a strike. I cannot score that yet. A strike is marked with an X because it's treasure. And that equals 10 plus the next two throws. So I would have to wait and see what I got on the fifth frame before I can mark that. Now, if I got another strike, then it would go into whatever I got on that first throw of the sixth frame. So it all depends on what your next two throws are before you can score. And it does that all the way up until the 10th frame. Good luck, guys.